everybody look at Priya ma'am. Okay. Now, how are we supposed? There are times when we have a itchy nose. Do you know that? You have an itchy nose and then you want to sneeze. You want to sneeze. You want to sneeze. So, how should we sneeze? How can we sneeze? How can we sneeze? Priya ma'am has already taught you this before. How can we sneeze? We should always cover our mouth when we and our nose when we sneeze. We should cover our mouth and nose when we sneeze. What will happen if I don't cover my mouth? If I don't cover my mouth and I'm going to, my nose is itching. What happened? The sneeze went everywhere else. Can you see that? See that? It is spreading everywhere. My sneeze is going everywhere. My sneeze went everywhere. And what is inside my sneeze? My sneeze is full of germs. My sneeze is full of germs. And it is spreading from me to everywhere. Can you see that? From me the germs went everywhere. So what should I do? What should I do? I have to take a tissue. And I want to sneeze, I have to take a tissue and I have to cover my mouth and what happens? It comes within the tissue. It comes within the tissue. Okay? It only comes to me. It doesn't come to others. See? When I sneeze inside my tissue or my handkerchief or my towel, it stays within me. It stays within me. When I sneeze without holding a towel, it was everywhere. See? It's going everywhere. And I'm going to sneeze with a towel. And it came within the towel. It comes within the towel. The germs stay within the towel. And after you sneeze, you fold nicely and we put it inside and we have to throw it in the dustbin. Nowhere else. Only inside the dustbin. And after that, what are you supposed to do? We should wash our hands. We should wash our hands nicely. And how do we wash our hands? We wash our hands with soap. Wash your hands. Wash your hands nicely. Make the hand wet. Make the hand wet. And then we put a little soap. We put a little soap. We put a little soap and we scrub. Rub. Scrub. Rub. Outside, inside, outside. Inside, outside. Rub. Scrub. See? Putting all the fingers together like this and we scrub. Then we put our fingers like this and we go scrub. Outside, inside, in the wrist, everywhere and we wash nicely. And we rinse off the soap with water. See? You put nice water and you wash off your soap. And when you wash off the soap, what happens? All the germs go away. And you have to take a clean dry towel and wipe. Take a clean and dry towel and wipe our hands so that we end up having clean hands. We should have clean hands all the time. See? Everything. You should always cut your fingernails. All your nails should be nice and trimmed. And otherwise, dirt will go inside your fingers. Dirt will go inside your fingers, and when you're eating your food, it will go inside your tummy and your tummy will start paining. Your tummy will start paining. So we should always use if you want to sneeze, you have to use a towel or a tissue, and you sneeze and you close nicely like that, and we throw it into the dustbin. Then we put soap and wash our hands nice and clean. And we take a towel and a dry towel, not any towel, just a dry towel, and we tap tap dry, tap tap dry. And if I don't have a towel to cover my mouth, what will happen? The germs will spread everywhere. Germs spread everywhere. See? Germs are spreading everywhere. Germs will spread everywhere. We don't want germs to spread, right? You want germs to spread? You want to fall sick? You want others to fall sick? No, we don't want anybody to fall sick. We all want to be nice and safe and healthy. Okay? So you should always cover your mouth. Sometimes you may not have a tissue. Sometimes you may not have a towel. You may not have a tissue. Then what do? You take your shoulder up, your elbow, and you cover your mouth like that. When you're feeling itchy in your nose, you take your hand like this and you keep and you go Ach! Ach! And then what happens? All the germs will come onto your dress, and then you can go remove the dress, and when you go back home, you can remove the dress and put it for washing. So what we do, if we don't have a tissue or a towel, we take our shoulder up, cover our nose and our mouth with the elbow, and you go and you do sneeze. This is the only way you're supposed to sneeze. Otherwise, you and others will fall sick. Do you understand that? Do you understand? Yes? Yes? So you will always use a tissue? Always use a tissue. You will always use a tissue. Yes? Yes? Say yes to Priyaman. Let's see. How many of you say yes? Yes? Okay. Alright. Very good. Very good. Right. Very good. Every day. Every day. What do you do? I wake up. I wake up. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wake up. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. Every day. Every day. What do you do? Every day. Every day. What do you do? I take a shower. Take a shower. I eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I go to school. I go to school. I take a shower. Eat my breakfast. Go to school. Every day. Every day. What do you do? Every day. Every day. What do you do? I read a book. I eat my snacks. I play with my friends. I read a book. I eat my snacks. I play with my friends. Every day, every day. What do you do? Every day, every day. What do you do? I say a prayer. Eat my dinner. Go to sleep. I say a prayer. Eat my dinner. Go to sleep. Every day, every day. What do you do? Every day, every day. What do you do? Every day, every day. I have lots of fun. Every day, every day. I have lots of fun. Oh, good job, very good children. Okay, so tomorrow you will have dictation again. Okay, you will have your You will have dictation of IN, IP and IX words. So study, write and study. Say the letters, write and study. Okay? Study and then tomorrow again. Okay, and then for homework today, you will be writing the APP apple, MANGO mango, PEAR pear, POTATO potato, CARROT carrot and PEAS peas. All these 6 items you will write 5 times each. Okay? Alright? Okay children, stand up. Stand up, stand up. Hold your hands.